Welcome to the Potter training video for panel startup. In this video, we will cover the steps for initial startup of a Potter fire alarm control panel. The first step is to install the software. Navigate to pottersignal.com. The programming tool can be found at the bottom of the page on any of the addressable panel product pages. Clicking on EXE will start a download for the programmer, viewable in the Downloads History tab of your web browser. Next, connect the control panel to the PC via Ethernet. This is done by plugging in your Ethernet cable to your PC through the Ethernet port or Ethernet to USB adapter and the PCOM port on the panel. Once connected, the Fire panel will display Link Local IP. If a device cannot obtain an IP address from a DHCP server, it automatically assigns itself a Link Local address so it can still communicate with other devices on the local network. The assignment is automatic and temporary, and it is typically replaced once a valid DHCP or manually configured address becomes available. The process for the panel to fall into Link Local takes approximately 45 seconds. Once Link Local is established, the panel will display the IP assigned. The default is 169.254.150.70. Once the IP is displayed, you are connected. In the programming software, selecting the Download to Panel option will open the transfer window. In this window, there are fields for transfer type, file name, username, password, and transfer via. The username and password are defaulted to capital P Potter, capital P Potter. However, these can be changed in the Remote Access tab on the left side navigation window. The transfer via field will display the computer IP and a field for the IP, NetBIOS name, or network ID. Entering one into this field will open a drop-down for autofill for 169.254.150.70. Once the connection to the panel is established, the window will turn green and display the NetBIOS name and the firmware version. If connection cannot be established, verify on the PC that the network settings are set to automatic. With the connection established, you can now download your program into the panel. Press OK to initiate the download. The panel will power cycle once the download is complete. For more information on programming, please see the Points, Basic Zone Programming, and Advanced Zone Programming videos. For more information about Potter products, please visit our website at pottersignal.com. To access additional training resources, check out our online training portal at academy.pottersignal.com. Stay connected with us on social media for the latest updates and news.